Feel your feet planted. Feel all the toes, your heels, arches lifted. Line your body, the head over the shoulders, over your hips, over your knees and feet. Maybe take a moment to close your eyes and feel the alignment of your body. Crown of your head lifted up towards the sky as the soles of your feet are reaching down into the earth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Maybe your eyes are closed or softly opened and looking down, or maybe you're looking at me. Inhale and exhale. Can you feel your breath filling you up until you're full and emptying out until you're empty? Relax here, staying with the flow of your breath and the security of your feet on the ground, the elongation of your body up towards heaven. Keep that steady, flowing breath. Keep the feet firmly planted. And we'll twist at the waist, keeping the arms relaxed. And just turn your shoulders for now. You may take your gaze with you, looking into the direction that your chest or heart is facing. And now, allow the arms to swing. The feet might part a little wider. Check your stability. Check your foundation, which are the feet, remembering your roots. Notice the trunk of your body as you swing from side to side. Swinging like in a circle, circling around. I feel a twist in my abdomen area, in my low back. You can take your gaze over your shoulder if you like. Gentle, right? Always gentle. Notice your breath in that same gentle flow, fully and completely. Maybe you'll allow the hands to tap up near your shoulder, upper side of your chest area. And maybe the opposite hand taps you behind your hips or wherever the hands may land, right? My proportions of my arms and torso are different from yours. I'll turn so that you can see what it looks like from the side view and back view. Moving with ease and non-effort. Or little effort. I'll drop the hands now to the lower part of the body. And you might find that when you've twisted, a heel might lift, but the toe is still planted, grounded. If you feel any tension, maybe reduce the effort of your movement. Check your breathing. Check your groundedness. Notice your alignment. And the uprightness of your body, still connected to earth and sky and breath. And gently slow, coming to center. Close your eyes for a moment and just feel what you're feeling. And I'll name what I'm feeling. Stillness, yet stimulation within the stillness, like almost electricity, like that's our chi, that's our energy. Prana, mana, energy. Same breath. And take your hands and reach them out wide. Yeah, and lift them up to the sky, pulling down the heavens. Yeah, bring the energy of heaven into your upper dantian, the head area. Then to the middle dantian, your heart area. And the lower dantian, the pelvic area. Inhale, reach up from the earth towards the sky. Exhale, pulling down that energy. Bring it into your 3 dantians, your 3 energy centers. Inhale. Exhale. Still singing that same song of the inhale. Exhale. we can do any of the exercises for as long as we want or as short as we want, whenever we want, to come into connection with self and chi, mana, prana, heaven, earth. One more time. And now reach behind you, gather all the energy, bring it into your lower dantian, and hold there for a moment. The mind is still connected to breath, earth, sky. We are a conduit of that energy that we draw to ourselves. Hands, arms, shoulder, neck, head, jaw, hips, knees, legs, feet. Relaxed here in stillness. And what we just practiced here could be done at the beginning of any practice or a practice on its own. Thank you.